Everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, pure handloom ones. Some are matka, muslin, linen, dupian, very beautiful ones. So let me display. This one, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka base sequin work with beautiful hand weaving buta design. Very nice one. Let me open with Sivori dye printed. This one, full base part, beautiful one, Sivori dye printed with sequin design, pure resham silk sequin, silk sequin design, resham silk stripes with sequin design and beautiful dye, Sivori dye. And this one, pure resham silk pallu with beautiful hand weaving buta, jamdani buta, silver and golden zari contrast weaving jamdani buta with sequin stripes design and pallu in beautiful beads pom-pom design. Very elegant one, fully designer piece, soft, comfortable, feather like soft, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, Sivori dye printed, and full base part is resham stripes design, resham silk sequin stripes design. Very elegant, smart, trendy, looks beautiful, color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This one also, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with Sivori print, contrast border, and very soft one, soft, comfortable, feather like soft. And this one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, contrast color border and hand spun matka base, very soft, comfortable, feather like soft. And this one is full base part, very smart, elegant looks, Sivori printed, very nice one. And this one is full base part, very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. And this one is jamdani pallu, pure resham silk with beautiful silver zari hand weaving jamdani work. This one is pure resham silk with jamdani work with beautiful beads pom-pom design. Very elegant, smart, trendy looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This one also, very beautiful one, silk linen material, pure handloom silk linen, black base, golden zari border and full base part is beautiful contrast color weaving buta design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, black base, golden zari border and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Very smart looks, fully hand weaving buta. And this one, pallu portions, fully heavy work, contrast color, threaded weaving design, heavy worked pallu. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright look, best for your party wear. This one, full base part, black with green contrast looks. Very nice one. This one is full base part, silk linen base, weaving buta. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, elegant looks. And this one also, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin base with hand weaving jamdani work border. Let me open. Very nice one, have sign also, base for your party wear. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. This portion is border, muslin border with beautiful hand weaving design work border. And this one is full base part, very elegant one, tissue muslin, soft, comfortable with beautiful hand weaving border design. And this one is full base part, very trendy, smart looks, based for your party wear. And this one, pallu portions, fully hand weaving work pallu, hand weaving design with highlighted pallu and stripes work. Very nice one, smart, bright looks. And this one, full base part, very comfortable one. This one is full base part, have sign also. And this one is beautiful border. And this one is full base part. And this one, a running blouse piece, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base buta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. So, very beautiful traditional looks, pure resham silk with hand weaving jamdani work, very nice and soft, lightweight, and royal blue shade, very elegant one, transparent pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving buta and border portions, jamdani work, very nice one. This one, full base part, soft, comfortable, and this one is border portions, beautiful hand weaving design work border, fine hand weaving design, and this one, full base part, very elegant one, pure resham silk, soft, comfortable with jamdani buta, multicolored jamdani buta, and this one, pallu and heavy work, fully hand weaving design work, pallu very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, pure resham silk with jamdani work. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, royal blue shade with beautiful weaving jamdani buta, and this one, border portions, very elegant one, trendy, smart, elegant, looks very traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, beautiful one, pure muslin with jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, very nice and beautiful color combinations, also golden zari border and fresh magenta pink shade. This one, full base part, beautiful color combinations, golden zari border, fine premium quality, soft golden zari border, and full border portions, beautiful contrast color with golden zari weaving jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful multicolor fully weaving polka design. This one is full base part, multicolor weaving polka design, and full border portions jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. And this one, this one is pallu portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu end is sequin stripes work, very nice one, soft, comfortable. This one is jamdani work pallu, very elegant looks, multicolor weaving jamdani work, and pallu end is sequin stripes, very elegant, bright, fresh looks, traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, same materials, pure muslin with jamdani work and beautiful color combinations, peach shade, light peach shade, golden zari border, and full border portion, same jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very nice and soft, comfortable, smart looks, premium quality, soft zari border, and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, and this one is beautiful color combinations, and full base part is multicolor weaving jamdani buta, very elegant looks, fully hand weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one, pallu portions, very nice one. Even this one is pallu portion, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, pure muslin, transparent, and pallu end is beautiful sequin stripes and jamdani work pallu, very nice and soft, comfortable, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous looks, based for your party wear. Very elegant one, beautiful elegant color combinations, pure muslin jamdani, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving, hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant looks. This one is fine golden zari border, premium quality, soft golden zari border, and full base part is multicolor threaded with highlighted golden zari hand weaving jamdani work, full base part, transparent pure muslin with jamdani work. This one, pallu and fine golden zari, fine stripes pallu and very elegant one, beautiful looks, and white base golden zari border, and this one, full base part, very elegant looks, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, full base part, very nice one, fully hand weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. This one also, a very beautiful, elegant one, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful color combinations and butta work, contrast color with silver zari weaving butta design and premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is highlighted silver zari border 1 inch and full border portions, beautiful weaving design. This one is contrast color threaded weaving butta design with silver zari weaving work border, and this one is full piece part baby pink shade, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one, pallu portion stripes pattern, highlighted pallu, and this one is full piece part, very elegant, smart, bright looks. This one is border portions, fully heavy work, contrast color butta with beautiful weaving silver zari weaving butta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part. Full piece part is pink piece, one portion is golden zari border, one portion is silver zari border, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, same material, same pattern, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful weaving butta design. This one, and beautiful color combinations, 1 inch highlighted silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful weaving design. This portion is border portions, highlighted stripes pattern, contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern border, silver zari with stripes, and this one is full base light yellow shaded, and this one, one other portions border part, stripes with silver zari weaving butta design, very elegant, smart looks. This one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pallu, and this one, full base part, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, middle portion is stripes, and this portion is border, highlighted stripes with silver zari weaving butta design, very elegant, smart, trendy looks, best for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece but premium quality, lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy looks. Very beautiful one, savory button printed one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful savory button printed silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful savory dye printed one, very nice one, smart, elegant looks, trendy one, best for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one is pallu portion, silver zari fine stripes pallu, and this one, full piece part, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, beautiful fabric, silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with savory dye printed, badhani printed, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece but very exclusive, outstanding, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks. And this one also, very elegant and exclusive looks, pure tussar silk with jamdani work, and this one is border portions, Manipuri pattern weaving border, and this one elegant color combinations, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, Manipuri pattern weaving design, fully hand weaving design, border work, contrast color piping, and this one is full base part, pure tussar silk with jamdani butta, full base part, contrast color, and this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully dhakai jamdani weaving design, pallu, very nice and soft, lightweight base is tussar weaving work, pallu work is dhakai jamdani work, and border portion is Manipuri pattern weaving border, and full base part is jamdani floral butta, very elegant, exclusive, smart looks, traditional also, and very soft, comfortable, only 300-gram weight, very nice one. This one is full base part, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, trendy, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, traditional, beautiful looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom Dubian silk with digital printed one, very elegant, smart, bright looks. And this one full base part golden zari border, pure Dubian silk with beautiful digital printed one, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This portion is border golden zari border and full base part is digital printed one, premium quality digital printed one and bright looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful digital printed pallu. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base, very elegant one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very smart, bright, traditional looks. Smart also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So very traditional, elegant looks, beautiful one, pure handloom Gicha silk, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks, soft, comfortable also, pure Gicha silk with print. This one full base part, beautiful, smart, elegant looks, pure handloom Gicha silk. This portion is border portion, this portion is middle, and this portion is another border, very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks, pure handloom Gicha silk with print. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and this one pallu portion, very beautiful one, kotki stripes pattern printed pallu, very highlighted one, smart, elegant, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, traditional, beautiful looks. This one also beautiful one, pure handloom Gicha silk with Madhubani printed one, very nice one, premium quality, soft, comfortable border, and pallu is Madhubani printed one, and beautiful color combinations, magenta pink shade, fresh magenta pink shade. This one full base part, pure handloom Gicha silk, and this one border portions fully contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed border. And this one is full base part, pure handloom Gicha silk, border Madhubani printed one, very elegant, trendy, smart, bright looks. And sorry, this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions fully Madhubani printed highlighted pallu, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, very elegant one. This one is full base part, pure handloom Gicha silk. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, traditional, smart looks. This one also beautiful one sorry, premium quality pure handloom silk linen, premium quality, export quality silk linen, soft, comfortable one with the full base part is checks design, golden zari checks, and border portions is fine hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, soft, comfortable. This one is full base part, pure silk linen, and this one is full base part, golden zari fine checks, hand weaving checks design. And this one pallu portions fully hand weaving fine jamdani work pallu, very elegant, smart, traditional looks. This one is pallu end highlighted contrast color stripes, and fully fine hand weaving design jamdani work pallu. And this one is border portions, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure silk linen with beautiful border portions, fully fine hand weaving jamdani work border, fully fine hand weaving. And this one is full base part, checks pattern, golden zari weaving checks, very elegant, smart looks. So this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. Also in a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen with beautiful weaving border design and very elegant color combination, smart looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue silk linen have sign, and this one is pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern, golden zari with beautiful contrast color, fine threaded stripes design pallu. And this one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant elegant looks, have sign also. This one is border portions, fully threaded weaving design with fine weaving design border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant, smart, bright looks, have sign, golden sign. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand weaving work, very nice one, and very elegant color combination. This one is border portions, fine weaving design, golden saree weaving design, Banarasi work border. This one border portions, and base part is premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, and beautiful floral butta. And this one is highlighted border portions, and this one pallu portions, beautiful one, temple pattern stripes weaving design, pallu, very nice one, highlighted stripes with temple pattern stripes pattern design, pallu pattern. This one is full base, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, and beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, and this one is border portion, and this one is running blouse piece, trendy, smart, elegant looks, bright also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane designer piece, catwalk mirror design with Madhubani printed gicha pallu, and full base party stripes pattern, very trendy, smart looks. This one is contrast color stripes pattern, and base is lane by lane, and this one split section. This one is black base splits, this one is splits, and this one is upper base part to pallu and stripes pattern. This one is running blouse piece printed, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one. This one is pallu portions, gicha weaving pallu with Madhubani printed one, and highlighted catwalk mirror design, very trendy, smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight also, premium quality, pure handloom, lane by lane, fine lane by lane with beautiful designer pallu and stripes pattern, full base part. Such as this contrast blouse piece, silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, semi georgette with heavy weaving work, very bright, beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, fully silver saree, fine weaving border, Banarasi border, and this one full base part, very elegant one, dye base. This one is dye base, and this one is full base part is silver zari fine weaving butta design, and this one is border portion silver zari fine weaving Banarasi work border, and this one is full base part. This one is pallu portions, beautiful Banarasi work design pallu and pallu and pom pom work, and this one is beautiful weaving pallu, and this one full base part, soft comfortable semi georgette base with beautiful Banarasi work, very nice one, elegant, trendy, bright looks. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work, silver zari brocade work, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin, contrast border, and main base part is golden base with beautiful contrast color border. This one full base part, bright elegant looks, have sign also, golden base tissue muslin, and this one is highlighted contrast color border with sequin design, full border portions and base part is sequin work, golden base contrast border, very nice one, soft comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, based for your party wear, soft lightweight, and this one is pallu and sequin stripes design, contrast color border, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Also in a very beautiful color combination, elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, and golden zari border, red contrast piping, and this one no full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, golden and silver zari weaving butta work, full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, very elegant color combinations, golden zari border, and this one full base part, very trendy, smart, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one portions, very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving design work, pallu, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart looks, natural fabric, lane by lane base. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh traditional looks, trendy one. This one also in a very beautiful one, black base, same material, same pattern, different color, black set and golden zari border, contrast green piping, and full base part is golden and silver zari contrast weaving design butta. This one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving butta design, and this one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, pallu, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, highlighted pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant one, smart looks, natural fabric, lane by lane, golden zari border, and full base part is golden and silver zari weaving butta, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful color combinations, dark navy blue shade, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one. This one is full base part. This one is silver zari border, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand batik printed one. Very smart, bright, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions, very nice one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu, and this one is full base, very elegant, smart, bright looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one, smart one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk material with beautiful weaving work, very nice one, smart looks. This one is let me open, beautiful color combinations, white base, this one is white base, soft silk, handloom soft silk, and this one is border portions, fully fine weaving design, contrast color threaded weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful weaving work, full base. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, fully worked, and this one full base part. This one is pallu portions. This one is pallu portions, beautiful silver zari with contrast color threaded weaving design pallu, and this one full base part is heavy work, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. Full base part is weaving work, white base, and full base part is same work, butta work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, handloom soft silk with beautiful weaving butta work, full base part, silver zari weaving border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design. This one full base part. This one is border portion, silver zari fine weaving design border, and full base part is silver zari weaving butta work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is pallu portion, beautiful silver zari weaving heavy worked pallu, highlighted contrast color stripes, and this one full base part, very smart, elegant, trendy looks, fine silver zari work, full base. And this one, and I will suggest this silk material, self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful bright color saree, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton weaving with silver zari weaving buta work, full base part. This portion is fully hand weaving, silver zari buta, full base part, contrast color pink piping, and this one full pallu portions, very beautiful heavy work, fully hand weaving, heavy worked pallu, golden and silver zari contrast weaving, and base is linen by cotton, contrast piping, and full base part is weaving buta design. Very beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.